Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can withdraw USD from Airwallex to Pakistan. So let's get started. First, log into your Airwallex account and go to your dashboard. Now click on the Transfers or Send Money option. Next, you need to add your bank account as a recipient. Enter your full name, bank name, and IBAN carefully. Make sure all details match your bank account exactly to avoid any delays. Now choose how you want to withdraw your money. If you have a USD bank account in Pakistan, you can send USD directly using the Swift transfer option. But if your account is in PKR, it's better to convert USD to PKR inside Airwallex and then send it locally. After that, enter the amount you want to withdraw and review the exchange rate and fees. Airwallex usually provides better rates compared to traditional banks. Then click on Send to complete the transfer. If you send in PKR, the money usually arrives within the same day or one business day. If you send USD via Swift, it may take around 2 to 3 business days. Once completed, the money will be deposited into your Pakistani bank account. That's it. Now you know how to withdraw USD from Airwallex to Pakistan easily and safely. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.